I'm saying it with confidence this time. The price is looking to be very good for us this upcoming week. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Daily Pips Trading. I'm Ignas and I'm looking at the markets together with you guys, just like we do it every single week. Let's dive in. Starting with the economic news calendar, I'm looking at it right now in front of you guys, and I'm thinking about Monday being a little bit iffy because of the Fed Chair Powell speaking again, but the rest of the week is looking very good for us. A little bit of manipulation might be expected early into the week because of the Fed Chair Powell speaking, but later down the line, Tuesday, Wednesday especially, I'm looking at a very clean market with a lot of news drivers. High of the week to be formed on Thursday is easily acceptable for us, just like we received it this week as well. So hope you enjoyed the analysis. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive into the charts right now. I very much hope you enjoy the analysis that are coming at you every single week. So if you do, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel itself. We're gonna dive into bonds. US Treasury bonds are looking good for us. We bounce away from this inversion that we were kind of calling for the market to deliver and make a turn a few weeks ago. Daily inversion is holding in the price again for us. So what am I looking at for this upcoming week? I don't want the price to go any lower than this order block and to attack this double top resting above. So gun to my head in a way, 120.24 should be delivered. Order block not only, we have a daily imbalance there that the market could trade into. So a retracement like this, or possibly Fed Chair speaking, this upcoming week is a possibility. If we start crashing lower, I'm not too keen about it because I'm going to show you dollar index, Euro USD, and other securities that we're looking at. I'm very much interested for this order block to hold in the price and to allow the market to continue higher towards buy side resting above. Looking at dollar index itself, story is very similar. We bounce away because of this SMT at the top, right? I was very much interested in this double top to be attacked, but we didn't receive that from the market. SMT at the top, meaning a discrepancy between two correlated markets, and we're actually looking at this double bottom to be attacked. Weekly chart has a little bit of sell side down below, a weekly imbalance that might allow the price to bounce away from this, but I'm not looking for any sort of bounce just so far. I'm looking for the imbalance to get filled, double bottom, and sell side to be attacked. So 103.9, maybe even 0.8 should be delivered. And if you ask yourself how much higher the market could go, where I'm looking at this daily imbalance plus this order block that possibly will allow the market to continue lower. So just like we had it with bonds, dollar is finally correlating with US interest rates. So I'm very happy about it. I'm looking for lower prices. Once we get that delivered, we're gonna do the analysis again. So say it every single video, I say it every single week. Don't forget to come to the Discord. We analyze the markets day in, day out. So if you're not there, you guys are very much missing out. Euro USD targets are getting delivered. We were very much interested last week for this buy side to be delivered itself. Buy side resting above, just like we have it with dollar itself. I'm looking for 109.161 to be delivered. How deep can we retrace? We have an order block resting down here plus a daily imbalance itself. Daily imbalance plus an order block. Dude, like if we're retracing here with that buy side resting above, I'm taking this. I will be very excited, very happy to take this. Otherwise, if we make a turn and we start breaking this, break below these lows, we'll break the market structure, we'll shift the market towards lower prices itself. But right now, buy side is my interest. Pound is actually going to be something that I'm not going to be too keen in terms of possible delivery this upcoming week. Why? Because we are trading in a massive premium right now. We bounced away from this daily imbalance, leaving this as a breakaway gap. So I'm going to take away this 50% level from my chart. I don't need that anymore. Now, looking at the chart itself, I need a retracement. Like this continuing higher like it is right now, very much not healthy for the market. Order block resting down here. So I'm actually going to be looking for a short in terms of a retracement before we go any higher. Yes, buy side resting up above. I'm not calling for this. I'm literally saying that I'm not gonna be interested in any kind of higher prices from where we're trading at right now. So retracement first, then we make the decision itself. If we retrace too deep, this is breaking the structure, attacking sell side, resting at 1.26130. So keep that in mind as well. Okay. Okay. Index futures, it's fun, isn't it? It's fun to see a market just pushing higher and doing it kind of together with us. Yet, I'm gonna dive deeper right away looking at the 4-hour chart. Yes, on a daily, we took sell side. We bounced away from it. It can continue higher. We're never looking for a top itself, but I want to see every single week, I say this. I want to see a little bit of retracement before we do that. So watch that daily imbalance. 4-hour chart, this imbalance held in the price. PPI took out sell stops, allowed the market to push higher. Now I'm watching this. Why I'm watching it? Because you're going to see that NQ failed to take last week's, basically not last week's, Thursday highs. ES did, right? So S&P 500 traded higher on Friday than it did on Thursday. Thus, we're watching ES being a lot stronger compared to NQ, right? So ES itself, I'm gonna watch this imbalance as a possible long entry right here. Diving into NQ right away. I'm gonna be watching for a little bit of a different setup actually. I'm not gonna be interested initially for this to hold in the price to allow it to continue higher. I'm actually gonna be watching this breaker block holding in the price. We have a 4-hour imbalance that was supposed to push the price higher, inverting. Not only that, we have an SMT where NQ is failing to make a higher high compared to ES. So I'm gonna be watching the possibility of the price booking higher prices now. Where and when? Very, very simple. If we invert this, if the market closes below 20,448, I'm looking for a possible short towards daily breakaway gap, maybe even lower. But everything above this is just gonna continuously push the price for new all-time highs. So decision here is for you to be made in terms of which asset class do you trust more. Believe that NQ has to follow ES and continue higher. If so, you're looking at this imbalance to hold in the price and push it higher. If you trust that ES took those highs only to create a fake out and create an SMT, you're looking at this to get inverted like that, push the price lower. Very, very interesting. Real quick, Bitcoin. We're looking at the futures contract itself. Weekly 50% imbalance level is holding in the price. So I'm not going to touch it up until this is getting broken. So right now, the structural break market shift is at 64,335. So up until the point that the market breaks the structure there, I'm not looking for buy side to be attacked. Okay. Looking at the structure itself now, this is holding in the price. Imbalance right above it. If not filled, makes it very, very dangerous for Bitcoin holders. Why? Because this will be treated as a breakaway gap. If this never gets filled, we're looking for the market to go deep. 38,700s, maybe even lower, 24,800s. Watch that. If this remains open, if imbalance of Wednesday, 3rd of July, right before the holiday, if that remains open, this is becoming very, very interesting. Keep that in mind. Gold, we just broke that inversion. I'm looking for the buy side to get attacked. 2450-ish is my interest. How quickly can we get there? There's an imbalance right here. Bounce away from it. Why not? Very, very quickly, but I'm saying this quickly in a way because I'm not too keen on trading gold this time because we're trading in a very high premium. Because of that, I'm gonna try to stay away from this. I very much hope you guys enjoyed this. I very much you guys found this insightful. Once again, we do this day in, day out in our Discord community, so don't forget to pass by it in the video description down below. The community is free right now. We're doing this day in, day out. A lot of people are actually enjoying what we're doing there, so why not to join it, right? And for now, I'm signing off, wishing you a very well upcoming week. Stay safe and see you next time. Bye.